T, and we are going to navigate this word problem on how to essentially solve um, for proportions. So we have this word problem. The important elements of the word problem that we need to navigate would be that they gave us the population proportion, they gave us the simple random sample, and then we need to see less than 0.31. Okay, so if I were to write out the givens, they distinctly gave us population proportion, so P naught equals 0.33, which essentially means Q equals 1 minus P naught, which is 1 minus 0.33, which we know is 0.67. Then we have a random sample of 412. And then we're trying to see the probability that P hat essentially is less than 0.31. Okay, so first things first, when we think about the formula for this, we need to solve for Z. Z equals P hat, which is sample proportion, minus P naught, which is the population proportion, over the square root of P naught times 1 minus P naught over N. So do we have everything that's needed from the givens? We have sample proportion, we have population proportion, and we have Q. We also have N. So we're just going to plug the numbers in. So we have 0.31 minus 0.33 over the square root of 0.33 times 0.67 over 412. I always advise students to solve under the radical first. So 0.33 times 0.67 divided by 412 equals the square root, which is 0.023. So we have 0.31 minus 0.33 divided by this answer, and that gives us a negative 0.86. You always want to solve or do a z-score to two decimal places. So if we go to something like a z-table chart specifically, and we look up negative 0.86, so we're in the negative section, we go 0.8, and then this last one is 0.6 or 0.06, and we pretty much match rows and columns. That gives us 0.1949. So the probability of Z being less than negative 0.86, which is equivalent to the P hat equaling less than 0.31, is 0.1949. I'll just put it over here as well, 0.1949. So this would be your answer. So to kind of put it in context of the question, there is a 19.5% probability that the sample proportion of households are spending more than $125 a week is less than 0.31. It says round to four decimal places. So this would be your answer. I hope this is helpful. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to let me know. Okay, take care.